Good morning. Hello, that's me. So, taking the dogs out for a morning stroll. It's a lovely day. It's nice and cool. The sun's shining. Yeah. Today we are going on a boat trip. Where are we getting the boat from? Pembrokeshire? Tenby. So, yeah, today we're going on a boat trip from Tenby, which is at about 11. So the plan is we're going to chill out with these guys, feed them, and just see how, just like relax, and then probably leave at about 10:30 today. That's the overall plan. Should be good. But yeah, what a morning. Hello. So we made it to Tenby. We are just walking to the boat, and then we will have a boat tour. Definitely chose the right day for it. I believe that is going to be the boat we're going to go on. Well, I hope that's not our boat.
Glad it booked.
Yes. Right, that's our boat. Let's go catch it. She's like me.
Hello and welcome aboard Island Ranger. Your skip will update you on weather and wildlife agency regulations. In the very unlikely event of an emergency, all times if on your feet. Although it may seem...
We've got ourselves a fantastic day for it today. It is slightly early in the season. Looks like we've got ourselves some porpoise off the left hand side there, folks. Close to be fair. Again, yeah. Swim. On the left, right hand side of the beach there, you see mentioned when they hunt on the highest stage of time, they're the apex predator. Now, when they are underwater, they've got incredible eyesight. Yeah, they've got a really sensitive set of whiskers. Males are generally... Pelagic foods or oceanic foods that we have between them. There's probably around about 3.5 nations that took place here, roughly around 23 originally, I think. Live on the open water for years on there. So we're going down the right hand side now.
Puffins!
Those as you get on there. But yeah, when we are safely tied up, we'll let you know.
Off the boat. And there's a tractor to help us get off, which is fun. And all these people waiting to get on. Fun. Right. Come along. Tide's clearly gone out. Yeah, that was good. I really enjoyed that trip.
Oh, it's so sunny.
Yeah. Right, shall we go find some food? Maybe a bit?
Yeah.
Also. Cool. So just come for lunch.
Yeah, we're at the harbour. Unfortunately, it's very busy outside, and the lovely neighbourhood is weird.
But food,
It smells.
yeah, food. Got just a Coke at the moment because they have an actual brewery tap house that we're going to try after.
Yeah, we'll go.
Yeah, found the silver trap, which is much nicer. There, there's literally the brewery there. That's fun. Alex got another ice cream.
So do you.
So did I. Right, we're gonna head back because we have dogs waiting for us. It's been a really nice day though.